Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear student, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I welcome you all in EdSec online sport program. My name is Amara and I am here to teach you social study. It's week 4 and lecture 1. So be attentive and listen carefully. Today's topic is climate of Pakistan. What are the objectives of today's topic? The objectives are describe the climate of different physical regions of Pakistan. Here is the map of Pakistan and introduction. Pakistan is located approximately between 37 north and 24 degrees centigrade, and since it is close to the Tropic of Cancer, the sun rays fall fairly directly on it. As you know, Pakistan is located close to the Tropic of Cancer. That's why the sun rays fall directly on it. Pakistan record mostly high temperature and is counted among the hotter countries of the world. And Pakistan lies in the temperate zone. The climate is generally arid, characterized by hot summer and cool or cold winters. Pakistan has 4 seasons: a cool, dry winter and hot. Pakistan record mostly high temperature, and climate of Pakistan varies between different physical regions of the country because they are located at different latitude, altitude and distance from the sea. There are different regions. How many physical regions in Pakistan? There are 5 main physical regions of Pakistan. What are the features of these physical regions, or what is the temperature of these physical regions are? Number 1 is mountainous regions. You can see the mountains of Pakistan in this picture. Here is the mountain ranges of Pakistan. The mountainous regions are located at high altitude. In these areas, winters are extremely cold. It means that the weather is very cold in mountainous areas because they are on the top and extend from October to April. The temperature often stays below freezing, -0 degrees centigrade. And here the precipitation is also in the form of snow. There is lot of snow falling in winter season. Summer temperature are warm in mountainous region, and from May to August are the summer months. The hottest months are June and July in our country Pakistan. There is a good rainfall in summer which reduces the heat, and people mostly enjoy their life in summer in the mountainous areas because the mountain regions are very cold. The next region is plain regions. In the plain regions, summers are not only hot but long, lasting from March to October. The hottest months are June and July with temperature reaching 45 degrees centigrade. And here the dust storms and thunderstorms are most common in the plain regions of Pakistan. Often very hot winds can blow. People usually stop outdoor work during the hottest part of the day because the climate is very hot and people cannot work, and they cannot work in hot climate, the hottest part of the day, and there is not much rainfall in the plain regions. Farmers have to irrigate their crops, and winters are mild with temperature ranging from 10 centigrade to 21 centigrade. January is the coolest month in the plain regions. The next is desert and coastal regions or coastal areas of Pakistan. As you learned in the previous lecture about the different regions of Pakistan, desert region, the climate of desert region is very hot or dry. In the desert region there is very less rainfall. Summer are hot and dry with hot and dusty winds blowing throughout in the desert regions. Winters are extreme with the temperature going below 0 degrees centigrade. In summer the temperature goes over 50 centigrade. In the coastal areas of Pakistan or the coastal regions of Pakistan, there is very little rainfall and the temperature is mild both in summer and winter. Winter is pleasant but it is very short, extending from December to February. Sometimes cold dry winds blow from Balochistan which cause the temperature to fall. Summer lasts from April to October. Next region is Plateau region. In the Plateau region there is hot summer and mild winter. Summer lasts from April to October with temperature going over 40 degrees centigrade. In winter the temperature remains close to the 10 degrees centigrade. There is considerable rainfall, though it is more in summer than in winter. Here is a map of Pakistan. You can see the areas which are included in the plateau regions of Pakistan. Attock, Rawalpindi, Jhelum and Chakwal are the areas included in plateau regions of Pakistan. Now your task is read page number 12, 13 carefully on your book and look at the map on your book page number 12 carefully and draw this map on your book on your notebook. Thank you.